Welcome to Tech Tether.
August Smart Lock not connecting to Netgear Wi-Fi extender. August Smart Lock Wi-Fi issues can appear due to poor and unstable internet connection, excessive distance from the Wi-Fi access point, connecting to the wrong Wi-Fi channel or band, signal interference, outdated firmware on the extender/router, glitches in the network or devices, battery needs a replacement. 1. Power cycle the extender. This is a quick way to get rid of any technical glitches and temporary hiccups that are hindering the network connection. Rebooting or power cycling gives your network connection a new start. To reboot your Netgear extender, unplug it and then wait for at least 1 minute before plugging it back. 2. Use the right Wi-Fi password. Double sure by checking your August app that you're using the right Wi-Fi password of the Wi-Fi extender to join its Wi-Fi. There are chances that the password is updated and you are still trying to connect using the older password. Ensure to use the correct Wi-Fi password. 3. Connect to the correct frequency band. Be aware that the August Smart Lock does not support a 5 GHz band but a 2.4 GHz. Most Netgear extenders are dual band. You have the option of using 2 separate SIDs for both wireless bands. It will be something like Netgear_EXT with a suffix 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Use the Netgear extender login credentials now and reach the admin portal. Here, specify different names for each band and then select the SSID that is meant for 2.4 GHz frequency to connect your smart lock to internet. 4. Turn on Bluetooth. If it is a first-time setup, then you should have the Bluetooth connection on your phone to connect August Smart Lock to Wi-Fi. Enable Bluetooth on your phone now and then try connecting your smart lock to the Netgear extender's Wi-Fi. 5. Ditch signal interference. Too many electronic gadgets and home appliances around the Wi-Fi extender and August Smart Wi-Fi lock can result in signal interference. Move such devices away to avoid radio interference. Besides, lustrous surfaces can reflect Wi-Fi signals, and building materials, large water bodies can absorb Wi-Fi signals. 6. Reset August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Follow these instructions to reset your August Smart Lock. Run the August app on your smartphone first. Get to the lock circle screen on the app. Select the gear icon, Settings. Now, choose the device that you wish to reset. Tap Reset Lock.
Thanks for watching.